Welcome to IOB Sync. In this episode we're going through how to enable the factory reverse camera on a Holden RG Colorado equipped with an IOB radio. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the radio tile. We'll then head up to the flashing tab and then over to the configurable options tab. Finally, we'll see that we have our rear camera parameter, which we can do the drop down and select enabled. Next, we want to make sure that we have a battery maintainer fitted to the vehicle, and then we go ahead and click on the right button. Once we click right, we'll see that it will begin downloading the required files plus our modification, and then it will begin the flashing sequence. When the flashing does begin, we'll see the radio will go black. That is completely normal. It will stay on a black screen until the flashing has completed. The flashing process does take roughly 30 to 40 seconds to complete. Once it's done, IOB Sync will indicate that it's performing the finalization flash routine, which it should show in the next few seconds. There we have it. This part can take anywhere from 10 through to 30 seconds depending on the radio speed. This is just finishing up the last of the flashing routine. The radio will boot back up. We'll see the boot logo as we see there, and then finally it will be operational with the camera. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.